This is a citrus tree. This actually happens to be a lime. One of the very few indoor fruiting trees that we can grow here in Calgary. So very bright light, at least 4 hours of direct sun a day. They do prefer to be evenly moist in a very bright southwest window in as much light as you possibly can give them. Do like to be regularly fed all year round with a regular tropical plant fertilizer on a weekly basis. And then also once monthly they need to be fed with a iron chelate, as all citrus are quite iron dependent. So once a month with an iron chelate to keep them good and green and keep them healthy. And if you follow some of those rules, you'll have very good success.